Your Honor, I move for the approval a resolution declaring the City of Manila under the state of calamity due to habagat and low pressure area or tropical
Sabi na
cyclones
to, diba?
and to allow the release of the calamity funds for humanitarian support and disaster relief. I move for its approval, Your Honor.
There's a motion to approve the said resolution. Does anyone second this? It has been seconded by Consul Pilar Fajardo, Consul Guillermo Alfonso, Consul Lemuel.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the first special session of the 13th City Council. The invocations will be led by Honorable Jeffrey Lau from 3rd District of Manila. After the call to order of the presiding officer, it will be followed with the playing of the Philippine National Anthem while the pananumpa sa katapatan ng Watawat sa Council led by Honorable Yam. Please all stand.
Let us feel the presence of God in our midst as we offer a prayer of thanks. Dear God, how thankful are we as face a new day and another opportunity to serve you and the constituent of Manila. Thank you also for the life you entrusted to us. Bless our colleagues and through the leadership of Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Domagoso and Vice Mayor Angela Lee Chi Atienza. May we be able to draft ordinance and resolution as we address the continuing challenge. All of these we ask and pray in the name of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. Amen.
The special session of the 13th City Council is now called to order.
Ibay.
Panunumpa sa Watawat ng Pilipinas. Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatan nanunumpa sa Watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinakikilos ng sambayanan, makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa.
Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Special session number 1. The honorable members of the 13th City Council of Manila. From the 1st District, Councilor Joaquin Andre J.D.D. Dumagoso. Councilor Jesus Taga E. Fajardo Jr. Councilor Eric Ian Onyeva. Councilor Dr. Irma C. Alfonso Huson. Councilor Rosalino June P. Ibay Jr. and Councilor M.C. Bobby G. Lim Yuen. From the 2nd District, Councilor Darwin Awi Visia. Councilor numero 1, G. Lim. Councilor Ruben Dr. J. F. Benaventura.
Ang official natin sila.
Councilor Edward M. Tan. Councilor Rod Ninong N. Laksamana. and Councilor John Christopher Bolong C. From the 3rd District, Councilor Attorney Ernesto Jong C. Isip Jr. Councilor Pamela Pa G. Pugoso Pascual. Councilor Arlene Mali Ayachenza.
Mr. Secretary, can you request the members to at least say if they are there? They can turn on the audio for clear.
Councilor Sayas A. Reyes. Councilor Kuya Doc Francis Michael U. Almiron. Councilor Kuya Ryan B. Ponce. And Councilor Eunice Ann Denise G. Castro. From the 5th District, Councilor Rafael Che P. Borromeo.
May feedback.
Councilor Attorney J.B. S. Dizon.
Kay ma'am, parang nakamuka siyang
Councilor Roberto Bobby S. Espiritu II. Councilor Raimundo Mon Ario Pangco. Councilor Chari R. Ortega. And Councilor Mark Anthony Tolma A. Ignacio. From the 6th District, Councilor Luciano Lu M. Beloso. Councilor Elmer Joel M. Par. Councilor Christian Paul L. Uy.
That's it.
Your Honor, as of 3:11 in the afternoon, we have 33 councilors present via Zoom and via face-to-face in this August chamber.
Given that we have 33 members present, we now have a quorum.
33.
Mr. Secretary, I miss Majority Floor Leader, what is your pleasure?
Yes, Your Honor. Since this is the first special session of the 13th City Council, may I seek the recognition of the chairman of the Rules Committee so he can enlighten us why we have a special session today.
Before we continue, I'd like to request for 1 minute recess. Please fix this because yung audio dito nag-feedback.
3:12.
Hindi nila marinig. Tapos naririnig ko, mas naririnig ko boses ko kasi naririnig ko sila. So off natin ito. Session resume. Majority floor?
Yes, Your Honor. May I seek the recognition of the chairman of the Committee of Rules, Attorney J.B.
Councilor Attorney JB, is on your recognized.
Thank you very much, Madam Presiding Officer. On Monday, July 21, 2025, at around 7 p.m. in the evening, the Honorable Mayor Francisco Escobar Domagoso requested from the City Council that we conduct a special session, considering that there are urgent matters that need to be passed by this August chamber concerning the recent flooding and the recent hurricanes that was experienced by the city. The councilors received this notice also on July 21, 2025 at around 7:28 in the evening, pursuant to Section 33 of Room 12 of our Internal Rules of Procedure, which states that we can conduct special sessions upon petition by the Honorable Mayor or 2/3 vote of the Sangguniang members, and that notice must be sent at least 24 hours before the conduct of such session. Considering that it has been more than 24 hours since the notice has been sent, is this representation's opinion that the conduct of the special session now is valid. Furthermore, Your Honor, according to our rules, before we conduct a session through Zoom, there needs to be concurrence and approval by the majority floor leader and the minority floor leader. And if I can ask the minority floor leader if he can confirm that he acknowledges and accepts the conduct of online attendance for other members of the Sangguniang today.
Councilor DJ Pagachin, you are recognized.
On behalf of the minority, we concur in this special session. Thank you.
Mr. Secretary, please take note.
Considering, Your Honor, that the proper notice has been sent at least 24 hours before the conduct of this special session, and that both the majority floor leader and the minority floor leader accede to the conduct of the session through online means, I believe, Your Honor, there is no impediment for us for the conduct of this special session. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Majority floor.
Yes, Your Honor, with that, let us proceed with the first in our agenda. I move that we tackle the floor a resolution declaring the City of Manila under the state of calamity due to habagat and low pressure area or tropical cyclones, and to allow the release of the calamity funds for humanitarian support and disaster relief. Your Honor, I move that we tackle this on the floor.
1 minute recess is declared by the chair. Session short. Majority floor.
Yes, Your Honor, I move that we tackle on the floor the said resolution.
There's a motion to tackle the said resolution on the floor. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Before that, I may ask the Secretary to read all the content of the resolution.
Mr. Secretary.
Whereas Section 45A, 8A, 4 of Republic Act Number 7160 provides that the Sangguniang shall adopt measures to protect the inhabitants of the city from the harmful effects of man-made or natural disasters or calamities, and to provide relief services and assistance for victims during and in the aftermath of such disasters or calamities, and in their return to productive livelihood following said events. Whereas on July 19, 2025, Typhoon Kasing left the Philippine Area of Responsibility (PAR). However, it still caused moderate to heavy rains and even enhanced the southwest monsoon or habagat, which continued to affect and brought rains and thunderstorms in the western part of Luzon and Visayas and the rest of Metro Manila, which continue until July 22, 2025. Whereas according to Pag-asa, the low pressure area LPA or tropical cyclones in the country are likely to strengthen the prevailing southwest monsoon or habagat, which has been bringing heavy rains over the past few days. Whereas the continuous heavy rainfall brought widespread flooding and rendered several roads and streets across Metro Manila and nearby Luzon provinces, including the city of Manila, impassable and accessible to vehicles, wherein floodwaters reached from gutter to chest-deep levels, such as Pinas Road, Nakpil, Calao, and Padre Paura along Top Avenue, United Nations Avenue, Ayala, and Espana Boulevards. Whereas reports reaching the Manila Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, MDRRMO, indicated that many barangays in the city were affected by the typhoon, resulting to suspension of school classes and work in all government offices in National Capital Region, NCR. Whereas the flooding caused by the said weather condition displaced numerous families from different barangays of the city of Manila, thereby disturbing their daily lives and affecting their means of livelihood, thus necessitating the needs for the city government of Manila to provide immediate assistance. Whereas the Honorable City Mayor Francisco Isko Moreno Magoso most requested the policy-making body of the city to declare Manila under the state of calamity due to massive flooding and strong wind caused by the said habagat and low pressure area LPA. Whereas the present predicament calls for an expeditious, sound, and responsive program on the part of the city government of Manila so that immediate assistance be extended to the affected barangays and its constituents using their calamity funds. Whereas this August body, upon assessment of the damage brought about by the weather disturbance, approved unanimously the declaration of state of calamity. Now therefore be it resolved by the City Council of Manila to declare, as it hereby declares the City of Manila under the state of calamity due to habagat and low pressure area LPA or tropical cyclones, and to allow the release of the calamity funds for humanitarian support and disaster relief, and be it further resolved that copies of this resolution be furnished the Office of the Mayor, the Liga ng mga Barangay, the Manila Barangay Bureau, whose speedy information and dissemination for legislative support purposes to facilitate the immediate release of barangay calamity funds thereof and the Manila Public Information Office for posting in their social media pages.
Your Honor, I move that we open the period of discussion and debate.
There's a motion to open the period of discussion and debate. Are there any objections? Seeing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor.
Yes, Councilor JP Dizon.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. This resolution, Your Honor, is a resolution which will declare that the city of Manila is under a state of calamity due to Habagat and the low pressure area or tropical cyclones, and that declaration will allow us to release the calamity funds for humanitarian support and disaster relief. This resolution was brought about by the request by the Manila City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, which was sent to the Honorable Mayor by its Director Arnel Estacio Angeles. Under the request of the Director of the NDRRMO, he stated that in 4 days, approximately 450 millimeters of rain or equivalent to 1 month of rain fell in the city of Manila, and this has caused great hardship and damage to the livelihood and the day-to-day lives of our citizens. In the past few days, our Honorable Mayor has been battling the floods and has been battling all of the effects brought about by this rain, even without the aid of the Calamity Fund. However, our mayor can only do so much. He needs help in battling the problems that was brought about by the rains that has fell before the city. That is why I am asking all of my fellow councilors in the City Council of Manila to support this resolution so that we will empower and we will give weapons to our mayor to fight the effects of the monsoon, of the rain that fell upon the city. I hope that with this resolution, that even if a little bit, the plight of our residents will be eased. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Councilor Attorney JP Dizon. Mr. Secretary, please take note of that. Councilor Veloso, you are recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor, and good afternoon
Hindi
po.
naman sa legal
At,
yun. Kasi legal, hindi naman nilagay. Pero ito manggagaling sa legal. Pero pag
Gusto ko lamang
sa atin sa
po banggitin na
sila-
timely yung paglinis natin ng lungsod na nagkataon na tumaksa ang tubig ulan. Dahil kung hindi, talagang siguro po ay nararamdaman naman natin yung mga dating hindi binabaha ay pinasok na talaga ng tubig. At nakakaawa nga dahil tayo ay hindi masyadong handa sa ganitong mga senaryo. At mabuti na lang at agad-agad na nagkataon na nalinis natin yung mga nakatambak na basura, but still meron pa rin nagpasukan sa mga estero na kailangan talagang linisin. I support this resolution, Your Honor.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Veloso. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support. Councilor Edward Parr, you are recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Your Honor, ating Presiding Vice Mayor, Chair Kenza. Ako po ay nagpapayag na suporta sa resolusyong ito at malaking bagay po ito para magkaroon na po tayo ng pondo sa pagkilos at masabayan po ang sipag ng ating Yormes Morales at ng ating Vice Mayor. Pasalamat din at nalinis ang basura dahil kung hindi ay talagang masama po ang kahinatnan ng pamahalaan ng Luzon, Maynila at kalusugan ng ating kapitolyo ng bansa. At saka naman din po na lahat, maganda rin pong may deklara ang resolusyon na ito upang ang mga empleyado pong naapektuhan ay mapag-loan po sa Pag-ibig, sa GSIS, sa SSS. Kailangan din po nila to para pang-alalay po sa mga naapektuhan ng kalamidad. Maraming salamat po, Vice Mayor.
Maraming salamat, Councilor Parr. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support. Councilor DJ Bagaching, you are recognized.
Your Honor, thank you. Hindi mo sinabi pwede maglulong sa Bombay. But Your Honor, levity aside, just to show you how important this, the mayor wants to address this calamity. Yung session po ng City Hall is tomorrow, Thursday, pero now it's Wednesday. But since it's so important and so urgent, the mayor called a special session for us today, Wednesday. That's how important it is. It's so important that all the councilors of District 4 are present here. District 4 present dito to show the importance of this special session and to show also the importance lahat po ng konsyal, whether anong partido, anong-ano ay imbitado at informed. Hindi katulad dati nung may bagyo, tayo hindi na-informed. Ganon ka-special at urgent itong calamity na to dahil inundated ang lungsod natin. And you saw naman the mayor with the vice mayor yesterday going to the floods with their boots and their jackets, inspecting all the streets and all the hospitals. So, the minority po is in full support of this urgent measure, and we'll get together to solve this calamity and to help the people in need. Thank you, Your Honor. With that, I yield back.
Maraming salamat, Consul DJ Bagchi. Consul, taga Fajardo, you are recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. In behalf of District 1, Consul Bansay Neva, Consul Alfonso, Consul Ibay, Consul Lima, at siyempre si ating Consul Dumagroso. Ay buong suporta po kami dito sa resolusyon na ito. At siyempre, nais ko rin po pasalamatan si Yorme sa nagdaang mga araw na nalinis yung mga kanal natin, kalsada, kundi sa bilis-kilos niya, baka lalo pa tayong na-perwisyo. So, dito na kami, Yorme, kung ano yung matutulong namin. Dito. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Consul taga Fajardo. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support. Consul Ponce, you recognize.
Magandang tanghapon po sa ating kagalang-galang presiding officer at sa ating mga kasamahan. Gusto ko lamang po, Madam Presiding Officer, na irehistro ang aming pagsang-ayon sa resolusyon na ito. Kasabay po ng pasasalamat sa ating alkalde dahil kitang-kita naman po natin nung panahon ng bagyo, halos lahat ng alkalde sa Metro Manila hindi natin makita. Kaya isa-isa lamang po si Mayor Isko na nakikita natin na umiikot kasama ang ating vice-alkalde at ako po ay nagkaroon ng pagkakataon na makasama nila kahapon sa Ospital ng Sampalo kasama si Consul Almeron. At nakita po natin kung gaano kalaki ang perwisyo na ibinigay nitong bagyo to. Napakaganda na ng mga unang linggo na tayo umupo, agad pong dinideklara ng ating alkalde na tayo ay magdedeklogging tuwing Sabado. Kung hindi pala tayo naggawa ng deklogging tuwing Sabado, mas malaki pa ang ating hinarap na bagyo. Kaya sabi ko, hindi pala natin kailangan ng isang civil engineer. Ang kailangan natin, isang common sense engineer na kagaya ni Mayor Isko Moreno. Kaya kami po ilubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyo, ating Vice Mayor, sa pagdalaw sa Ospital ng Sampalo kahapon kasama ang ating alkalde. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Before I call on Consul Lao, I'd like to call on Consul Sarkal. And then, Consul Sarkal, you're recognized. Sorry, could you please repeat, Consul Sarkal?
Ano yan? Ang haba niya.
Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support and the suggestion of Consul Sarkal, given that we have a lot of things to tackle today, important things to tackle today. My request for each and every member would like to speak to just shorten your speech to probably maximum of 2 minutes so we can proceed. Thank you very much. Okay, Consul Lao, you're recognized.
Nagpapahingin po ako ng suporta dahil dito sa distrito namin, dami po nakatira po sa tabi ng Pasig River po. At sa kabila na, nakita po rin natin yung ating buting mayor na talagang tumutulong at kanyang talagang gusto niyang dedikasyon na para tumulong at mawala yung mga problema mabahagi sa ating Kamandilaan. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Consuelo. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support. Consuelo Attorney Lady Titos, you're recognized.
Yes, thank you, Madam Presiding Officer. Ako din po ay heavily support this resolution declaring state of calamity sa lungsod natin. Kita naman po sa pumasok ngayong special session na in-agenda po ng ating Madam Presiding Officer. 33 po ang agad-agad na tumugon sa panawagan ng special session natin para maipasa ang isa sa pinaka-importanting measure natin na it greatly shows our present predicament needs a responsive action through passing of this simple but very important resolution. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Consuelo Attorney Lady Titos. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support. Consuelo Alfonso, you're recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, nasabi nga po ni Konsehal Taga Fajardo na lahat kami sa Distrito 1 ay sumusuporta sa resolution na ito. However, I have some queries, Your Honor. I just want to know how many times can we pass calamity? How many times can we declare our city as calamity area, Your Honor? Dahil marami pa po mga bagyong dadating. Even the international people are saying na madaming dadaan na bagyo sa Maynila this coming days. So I am just wondering
Hindi po.
natin
Kaya lang baka
mahandle
may
yung mga
magsasalita pa
dadating
sa
na
Zoom
mga
mamaya. Gano'n na naman. Problema na naman ulit yun.
Consuelo Attorney J.B. Hizon.
Thank you very much po. Under the rules set forth by the National Risk Disaster Management Council, Your Honor, there is no limit as to how many times a city can declare that it is under a state of calamity as long as the parameters set forth in their rules are met. In this instance, we have met the requirement that at least 20% of the population was affected by the calamity. That's why we are going to declare a state of calamity, and as long as there's a certification from our own National Disaster Risk Reduction Office that there's indeed a state of calamity, we will declare a state of calamity. As to the availability of the funds, buti na lang po, ang mayor natin ngayon ay responsable pagdating po sa paggagamit ng pondo. Naintindihan ko po ang concern ng ating consel from District 1 na kung saan baka mamaya po ay ma-exhaust po natin ang ating calamity fund pagka po nagkaroon muli ng panibagong bagyo. Ngunit there is nothing, as far as this council is concerned, there is nothing in the parameters set forth by the National Council limiting LGUs as to how many times rather they can declare a state of calamity as long as the parameters set forth in the rules they have set before exist. And in this instance, the parameters we have breached those parameters a few days ago already. Kaya po, I hope that answers the query of Councilor Dr. Irma.
Consuelo, Dr. Irma Alfonso.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. Napakaganda po ng sinagot niya kasi I am sure I'm not the only one that has that in their mind as a question. Kaya maganda po yung sagot. We can always file kung nami-meet yung parameters ng calamity. Thank you, Your Honor. Ang isa ko pa pong tanong, pwede po kaya na like all the other barangays na hindi naman masyadong naapektuhan ng kalamidad, can they also file calamity?
Majority Floor Leader?
Yes, Your Honor. Napakagandang katanungan din po. Alam niyo po, ang pag-declare kasi ng calamity, hindi lang man porket nabahaan ka o nasunugan ka, may calamity. Actually, mag-declare lang ng walang pasok ng ilang araw ay kabawasan na sa mga constituents natin yung kinita nila sa isang araw. Kaya ang pag-declare natin ng calamity, hindi lang kailangan bahain ka o ano. Importante, matulungan natin sila, bigyan natin sila ng pangkain nila pang isa, 2, 3 araw. Yun lang po.
Consuelo Dr. Irma Alfonso.
Yes, thank you. Kasi mas mabuti po yung maliwanag para lahat ng nakikinig sa atin ngayon ay naliliwanagan rin, Your Honor. Thank you.
Bakit ba hindi nila mapagkakataon?
Maraming salamat.
Ba't hindi nila
Consuelo Luis
mapagkakataon?
Castro, you are recognized.
Thank you po, Madam Presiding Officer. At magandang hapon po sa inyo at sa ating lahat po dito sa loob ng sesyon ngayon. Ako po ay gusto lang sumuporta dito sa pagde-declare natin ng state of calamity dito sa ating lungsod at nagpapasalamat sa ating alkalde sa bilis kilos niya palagi. Kaagapay po kayo na ating busy alkalde. Ito po ay sa iba, maliit na bagay, pero sa lahat po ng mga constituents at karamihan ng constituents natin dito, malaking tulong po ito. At malaking bagay sa mga barangay para sa mga nasasakupan po nila dito sa atin sa lungsod. Kaya sana po, supportahan po natin lahat ito. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat. Konsehala Yanis Castro. But before I go to you, Konsehala Meron, si Konsehala Wisia would like to be recognized. Konsehala Wisia, you are recognized. Maraming salamat, Konsehala Wisia. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support. Konsehala Meron, you are recognized.
Gandang hapon po, Madam Presiding Officer. Ako po ay nakikiisa dito sa ating resolution na pinapasa ngayong hapon ito. Dahil sa totoo lang, sa aming ilang araw na pag-iikot sa aming distrito, ay kitang-kita po namin ang hirap ng ating mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na po sa mga lugar na may mga baha. At hirap na hirap po sila sa pagkain at hindi lang po doon, pati mga gamot. Na ito po ay napakalaking tulong po, no, kung sakaling mapapasa po natin. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Konsehala Calmeron. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support. Konsehala Fogoso, you are recognized. Maraming salamat, Konsehala Fogoso. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support. Konsehala Tol Ignacio, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, nais ko lang ipahatid yung aking suporta hinggil dito dahil alam ko kailangan ng ating mga kababayan bilang araw na suporta galing sa local government. Bibilisan ko lang yun. At tayo alam mo naman lahat tayo dito ay tutulong din, magsasama-sama sa ating kaunting paraan para maisa natin yung pangangailangan ng ating mga kababayan. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Konsehala Ignacio. Before I proceed in calling you, I'd like to call on Konsehala Ali Barbar. You are recognized. Maraming salamat, Konsehala Ali Barbar. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support. Konsehala Science Reyes, you are recognized.
Thank you po, Madam Presiding Officer. 100% po ang aking pagsuporta para po sa pagdeklara ng state of calamity ng ating lungsod. Dahil alam ko po ang partnership ng ating mayor, kasama po ang inyo po pinangunahan ninyo pong lingkod, kayo po, Vice Chief, ay napakalaki po ng gampanin dahil ang mga ordinansa at resolution sa ating po dadaan sa pagpapatupad naman po ang ating pong mayor. So ito pong ginagawa natin ngayon ay hindi po maliit na bagay para sa ating mga residente ng Manila. So tama lang po itong suportahan po ng bawat isa. God bless you.
Maraming salamat, Konsehala Science Reyes. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support. I'd like to call on Konsehala Uno Lim. You are recognized. Maraming salamat, Konsehala Uno Lim. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation. Konsehala Mercado, you are recognized.
Maraming salamat, Madam Presiding Officer. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Ako ay nagpapahayag din ng suporta sa napakahalagang resolusyon ito. Nakikita natin at kita natin ang pagpupursige ng ating minamahal na mayor. Kita natin kung paano siya magtrabaho. Kaya naman, alam ko na tayong lahat, hindi na para mag-isip ng iba pa, kundi tayo magsama-sama, tulungan natin si Mayor dahil para ito sa ating minamahal na Maynila.
nakita natin din ang pagiging smart talaga niya. Dahil doon po sa kanyang mandato o sa kautusan sa buong mga barangay na maglinis ng kanal. You just imagine po kung hindi po nagawa ng paraan yan, hindi lang siguro ganito ang ating mararamdaman at magiging problema. Kaya muli po ako po'y nagpapahayag ng suporta sa ating napakagaling at napakasipag na ating minamahal na mayor. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po sa Doc Mercado. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support. Consial Castaneda, you are recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Ms. The Presiding Officer. Magandang hapon po sa buong 13th City Council. Ako po ay nagpapahayag ng aking suporta rin po sa nasabing resolusyon. At sapagkat, alam niyo po sa aking pag-iikot sa aming distrito, talagang napapanahon po na i-declare na state of calamity ang ating syudad. At nakita ko po na marami talaga nangangailangan, and in our own little ways, sa pagsuporta ko po kay Lord Isko Moreno, ay ako'y naniniwala na nakakatulong na rin po ako sa ating mga kababayan sa lungsod ng Manila. At gusto ko rin pong magpasalamat kay Lord Isko Moreno at ako po ay umahanga sa kanya sapagkat yung pong pinatupad na weekly na clean-up drive, talagang napakalaking tulong po. Yung kanyang paglilinis po sa ating syudad. Dati po, ako po kasi ang bahay po namin ay nasa tabi po ng Pasig River. Last year po, nung kami ay namimigay ng ayuda, hanggang tiyan na po yung tubig baha. And the year before that, hanggang leeg po. Pero ngayon, wala pong bahang nangyari sa barangay namin. Kaya maraming salamat po, Mayor Isko Moreno Longos.
Maraming salamat, Konsihal Castaneda. Konsihal Bobby Espiritu, you are recognized.
Maraming salamat po, Madam Chair. Nais ko lang po ipahayag ang aming suporta sa resolusyon ito. Malaki po may tutulong ng resolusyon na ito sa mga batang Maynila, lalong-lalo na po sa 5 distrito, very in particular sa Malate area po, na ilang araw na po lubog sa baha. Kaya yun lamang po, maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Konsihal Bobby Espiritu.
With that, Your Honor, una-una, gusto ko rin magsalita, yung 886 barangays natin, pwede na siguro silang gumawa ng kanilang mga calamity fund, mga pondo ng barangay para patulong sa mga constituents natin. At malaking tulong po yan dahil marami rin po nawalan ng trabaho itong past 3 days. At siguro yung mga ibang gustong mag-loan, lalo na yung mga nasiraan ng bahay, dahil sa bahay, siguro pwede na rin po nilang gamitin itong deklarasyon natin ng calamity ngayong araw na to. So with that, Your Honor, I move that
Can I recognize Konsihal Ululim before
Okay.
we proceed
Yes,
to
ma'am.
your motion? Konsihal Ululim, you are recognized. Okay, Majority Floor Leader.
yes, Your Honor, I move that we close the period of discussion and debate.
There's a motion to close the period of discussion and debate. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of amendment.
There's a motion to dispense with the period of amendment. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I move for the approval a resolution declaring the City of Manila under the state of calamity due to habagat and low pressure area or tropical cyclones and to allow the release of the calamity funds for humanitarian support and disaster relief. I move for its approval, Your Honor.
There's a motion to approve the said resolution. Does anyone second this? It has been seconded by Consejero Pilar Camardo, Consejero Guillermo Alfonso, Consejero Bobby Limwen, Consejero Julie Bay, Consejero Nieva, Consejero Tan, Consejero Castro, Consejero Ponce, Consejero Attorney Quintos, Consejero DJ Bochin, Consejero Reyes, Consejero Almiron, Consejero Bobby Espiritu, Consejero Tolma Ignacio, Consejero J. Gizon, Consejero Uy, Consejal Mercado, Consejal Par, Consejal Castañeda, Consejal Veloso. And for those who are online, Consejal Rod Laksamana, Consejal Juliana Levi, Consejal Ventura, Consejal Atienza, Consejal Mercado, Consejal C, Consejal Fogoso, Consejal Albarbar, Consejal Lim, Consejal Lugaboso. Given that it has been duly seconded, are there any objections? Seeing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I want to manifest to include all the majority black as co-principal authors, including those who have their intention for this resolution to be passed, those who manifested their support to this resolution. That's all, Your Honor. And including, of course, our presiding officer. Including also our Vice Mayor, Chi Atienza.
Maraming salamat. But I also would like to make a manifestation na kahapon si Consejala Chani Ortega. Please add her to those that seconded, Mr. Secretary. But nevertheless, majority currently here.
Yes, Your Honor. We are now in item number 2. A resolution adopting and approving resolution number 01 series of 2025 passed by the local health board on July 17, 2025 entitled a resolution approving the availability and utilization of 750 million pesos from the Special Health Fund of the City of Manila as certified by the City Accountant and to be programmed in accordance with the approved annual operation plan for health. Your Honor, I move that we tackle this on the floor.
There's a motion to tackle the said resolution on the floor. Are there any objections? Seeing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion and debate and amendment.
There's a motion to dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendment. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I move for the approval of a resolution adopting and approving resolution number 01 series of 2025 passed by the local health board on July 17, 2025. And utilization of 750 million pesos from the Special Health Fund of the City of Manila as certified by the City Accountant and to be programmed in accordance with the approved annual operation plan for health. Your Honor, I move for the approval of this resolution.
There's a motion to approve the said resolution. The Senate will second this. It has been duly seconded by Consejal Tegato Mardo, Consejal Tora Irma Alfonso, Consejal Ganieva, Consejal Castro, Consejal Stan, Consejal Ponce, Consejal Lao, Consejal Meron, Consejal Reyes, Consejal Paching, Consejal Quintos, Consejal Espiritu, Consejal Rizon, Consejal Castañeda, Consejal Bar, Consejal Uy, Consejal Veloso, Consejal Geneva, Consejal Juan Atienza, Consejal Chari Ortega, Consejal Juliana Levi, Consejal Bonaventura, Consejal Walopsi, Consejal Sarcal, Consejal Demagoso, Consejal Fogoso, Consejal Albarbar. Given that it has been duly seconded, are there any objections? Seeing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I manifest to include all the majority black to be co-principal author of this said resolution, including our presiding officer. So next in the agenda, Your Honor, is another resolution, a resolution adopting and approving resolution number 02 series of 2025 passed by the local health board on July 17, 2025 entitled a resolution approving the utilization of 750 million pesos from the Special Health Fund for the implementation of priority health programs, services, and operational needs of the Manila Health Department and the 7 local government unit hospitals for fiscal year 2025. Your Honor, I move that we tackle this on the floor.
There's a motion to tackle the said resolution on the floor. Are there any objections? Seeing none, motion is carried.
Yes, Your Honor, I seek the recognition of the Chairman of the Committee of Health, Honorable Irma Alfonso Luzon.
Considerada Dr. Irma Alfonso, you are recognized.
Hello. Your Honor, thank you. Your Honor, first, I would like to give some clarification on the special health fund. Dahil po tayo ay kapos sa budget, si Yorme, ay talagang naghanap with the help of the City Treasurer, Attorney Vega, kung saan tayo pwede kumuha ng mga gastos. Dahil ang mga ospital natin ay wala ni Rimbilya o ni Guantes na magagamit. So what the mayor did, nakakita sila ng special health fund amounting to 750 million. And when we had our first local health board meeting, this was discussed and this was passed as a resolution para magamit ng ating mga ospital at ng ating mga health centers. So, to give the allocation, may I read on the following. Yung 750 million po will be divided into five. Yung 300 million will go to the individual-based health services or health assistance fund for indigent patients sa mga ospital, sa mga health centers. And 25 million of this will go sa mga medical supplies intended for the lab, cath lab, patient care, again, sa mga hospitals. And even sa health centers natin, we have this basic biochem exams na pwedeng gawin para sa mga pasyente. 300 million again will be allocated to the drugs, medicines, and medical supplies. And another 19 million for the health promotion program, health supplement for senior citizens. Yung po yung mga gamot na maintenance ng ating mga senior citizens, Your Honor. And another 35 million for other health services and related expenses. Like yung mga drive na gagawin natin, like this July to August, we will be having the bakuna expenses. This will be taken from here, I guess. At saka yung iba pa na mga sa AIDS at sa TB program na gagawin ng ating pamahalaan in relation to the health problems that we are facing, Your Honor. So, napakaganda po nito at dapat po natin supportahan lahat para sa lalong madaling panahon ay mabigyan na po natin ng kalutasan ang mga health problems ng ating mga mamamayan dito sa Maynila. Siyempre sa pangunguna po ni Your Vice Commander Boso at ni Mayor Sheena Atienza kasama ang Thursday City Council. Your Honor, thank you.
Maraming salamat, Konsehala Irma Alfonso. Majority Floor.
Yes, with that, Your Honor, I think it's already well explained by the Chairman of the Committee of Health. May I move that we dispense with the period of discussion and debate and amendment.
There's a motion to dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendment. Are there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Your Honor, I move that we approve a resolution adopting and approving Resolution Number 02, Series of 2025, passed by the Local Health Board on July 17, 2025, entitled, a resolution approving the utilization of 750 million pesos from the Special Health Fund for the implementation of priority health programs, services, and operational needs of the Manila Health Department and the 7 local government unit hospitals for the fiscal year 2025. I move for its approval, Your Honor.
There's a motion to approve the said resolution. Does anyone second this? It has been duly seconded by Consejal Fajardo, Consejal Neva, Consejal June Ibay, Consejal Tan, Consejal Castro, Consejal Ponce, Consejal Almiron, Consejal Reyes, Consejal Paching, Consejal Attorney Quintos, Consejal Attorney Hizon, Consejal Bobby Espiritu, Consejal Tola Ignacio, Consejal Par, Consejal Castaneda, Consejal Veloso, Consejal Uy, Consejal Mercado.
Ayun, may binabagay naman.
Konsehala Maylin Atienza, Konsehala Charia Ortega, Konsehala Juliana Ibay, Konsehala Buenaventura, Konsehala C, Konsehala Sarcal, Konsehala Libarbar. Given that it has been duly seconded, are there any objections? Sitting none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I want to manifest to make all the majority block as all co-principal authors, including the presiding officer of this said resolution.
Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation. Majority Clerk.
Your Honor, we're done with our last item for today in our special session. A resolution approving the use of the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, PAGCOR, Trust Fund in the amount of 5 million pesos to augment the additional funding needed in the delivery of health and education services to constituents. Your Honor, I move to tackle this on the floor.
There's a motion to tackle the said resolution on the floor. Are there any objections? Sitting none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, since this is related to the past resolution and I think it's also self-explanatory already, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion and debate and amendments.
There's a motion to dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and amendment. Are there any objections? Sitting none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I move for the approval. A resolution approving the use of the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, PAGCOR Trust Fund, in the amount of 5 million pesos to augment the additional funding needed in the delivery of health and education services to constituents. I move for its approval, Your Honor.
There's a motion to approve the said resolution. Does anyone second this? It has been duly seconded by Consial Tagapardo, Consial Alfonso, Consial Junibay, Consial Nieva, Consial Castro, Consial Tan, Consial Ponce, Consial Lau, Consial Almeron, Consial Reyes, Consial Belsin, Consial Attorney Quintos, Consial Attorney Gizon, Consial Espiritu, Consial Castaneda, Consial Par, Consial Uy, Consial Veloso, Consial Mercado, Consial Atienza, Consial Ortega, Consial Ibay, Consial Buenaventura, Consial C, Consial Sarcal, Consial Barbar, Consial Lim, Consial Fagoso. Given that it has been duly seconded, are there any objections? Sitting none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I want to manifest to include all the majority block to be co-principal authors of this said resolution, including the presiding officer.
Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation. Majority Clerk.
Since we don't have any more items on our special session, I move to adjourn.
Before we adjourn, I just would like to make a manifestation and would like to thank each and every one of you for being here, regardless of the weather. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Session is now adjourned.
Alas 3, sarado.
Sarado ka?
Oo, 3. Hindi ko alam. Sino ba? Daligan. Ayun, ayun na pala.
Dito kaya na baka picture tayo
Ako si Evelyn. Asan? Asan? Asan pa siya? Saan ka kasi siya? At dyan. Sama mo to dyan sa'yo. Chodori. Lenin. Tingin naman ito pala ko kakayok ka, sumasakatusik mo ka. Nandamay pa kaya ako natin nakabas. Thank you.